Alright, testing EggTimer Proton. I have my laptop connected to my oscilloscope, connected up to igniter leads, connecting up to the EggTimer Protons on the left one in particular, and igniter inside a bowl that has plenty of pyrogen on it. Let's see. Set that to one shot. And hopefully we trigger this one correctly. Select the drogue, enter in the code, and test in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. And we can see it looks like have the load of the igniter, and we're on a 200 millisecond scale. That went about, what was it, 20, 40, 60, almost 80 milliseconds before the igniter ignited, and then you see it's an open circuit.